Hi there, good evening. This is Scott, Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at Frontdoor. This is ticker FTDR. Now, Frontdoor, as you can see, has had a little trouble with this $32 zone. You can see how we have this sideways base of consolidation, bit of a cup with a high handle. It tried to get above here in March, couldn't do it, consolidated, and now we're just knocking on that level of resistance. And so I think $32 here on FTDR is a pretty clear level of resistance that it should break through. So that's a level I'm going to set an alert on my software here and look for a breakout of this current consolidation zone. I like the fact that even though the stock did break down here in March, it found support around some clear moving averages. Consolidated, then looks like it had an earnings move, gapped up, held that gap, and since has just been going sideways. And so want to see a strong move through $32 here on FTDR, and hopefully it can break down this door or this level of resistance. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a 14-day trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.